Hello friends, today we will be learning another advanced Excel function, Scenario Manager. Scenario Manager is highly useful function in financial decision making where you have to do multiple projection based on certain future uncertain scenarios. So let us see how Scenario Manager function can help you. Let us start with a small case. Say for example, you are into a scenario where the selling price of the product that you are selling is 150. The cost of goods sold is 74%. The interest expenses are fixed 35,000. The units sold in current scenario are 7,500 and the sales growth is expected to be 5%. Under the current scenario, the net income comes to be 2,57,500 and say based on this, you create projected net income for next upcoming 6 years. You can see the net income here. But now, what if you want to change or you foresee a change in selling price per unit, you want to change the COGS, you want to see the change in net income based on changes in COGS, interest income, sales unit or sales growth. Now multiple variables you want to change. Now we have seen in goal seek function you can change one variable at a time and see the impact. In data tables we have seen you can change two variables at a time and see the impact. Now Scenario Manager will help you see the changes in multiple scenarios at a time. The only thing is you cannot see it in one table but under various scenarios. Now how to create a scenario, how to create these various scenarios? Again you have to go to Data tab under menu bar, link. Under that you have what if analysis and under that you have Scenario Manager. Click on that. Now you see nothing in this new window which has opened. You simply have to do add into it. You can create the scenarios the way you want here. Now we will give this current scenario a name as normal scenario. And I want to see the change in selling price per unit, then COGS. Now whatever variables you want to enter, you have to put a comma in between those variables. I want to see the change in interest expenses and then I want to see the change in sales growth as well. So 4 functions you can see at a time that you want to see changes into. Presently we are considering only 4. You can create 5 variables, 3 variables as the need may be. You simply have to press OK button. You can see here based on current scenario, a new scenario will be created under the name normal. Now we want to see a new scenario where you want to see the changes in these 4 variables that you have selected and let us name it as optimistic scenario. Optimistic scenario. Now I want to change these 4 cells in this scenario. You can change it as well. Press OK. The fields will appear which you have selected for changing the scenario. Say selling price per unit, I am optimistic that will rise to 170. Cost of goods sold I feel will go to 70%. The interest expenses I feel will go to 25,000 and the sales units, the base will be 9,000 units. I click OK on it. You see no change here as of now. Here or here the net income is same. But you just select the scenario that you want to see. Click on the show button and see here. You have selected interest to be 25,000 rupees. You have selected the sales to be 9,000. As an optimistic scenario, all those changes appear in this new scenario. And here you can see the changes for all the 6 years that you have selected. You want to create another scenario, click add, say pessimistic scenario. In this I want to change the sales growth and not the sales unit. I simply selected that cell, click OK. Now I want to change the selling price per unit to be 140. I feel The COGS will go to 80%. The debt interest payment will be 35,000 again, and I feel there will be a growth of only 2%. So I simply click OK. Again, click on the show button. You can see the changes over here. So what you simply have to do, you have to go to Data tab, go to What If Analysis, Scenario Manager, and select the scenario that you want to see. This is how simple it is to change the impact of multiple variables on the desired financial decision that you want to check. Thank you guys.